It's quick and easy to install Sage 50 Payroll. In this video, we'll show you how. Before you begin, make sure that you're logged onto your computer as an administrator and that you've downloaded the installation file from our website. To start the installation, double-click the installation file. After a few moments, you'll see the Welcome window. Check the correct tax year is shown, then to continue, click Accept License. There are two types of setup to choose from. The typical setup will install to a default location. To install to a specific location, choose Custom. To continue, click Next. The installation settings are shown here. If you're happy with these, click Next. A progress bar appears as the software is installed. This can take a few minutes, so just sit back and wait for it to finish. When the installation's complete, you'll see this message. To close the message, click OK. You've now installed Sage 50 Payroll, and you're ready to set up your company.